Welcome to the Dimension Calculator app for Shopify. Dimension Calculator lets you quickly add calculator functionality to your Shopify store. In this tutorial, we'll look at creating products to work with the Dimension Calculator app. If we go to the product page and create a new product, so click Add Product, then let's call the product My Tile and add a description. Let's go for I've got this cool new app that lets me add calculators to my store. Yep. Then we're going to skip adding an image and go straight to variants. So we'll scroll down. So under variants, let's click the checkbox and we're going to use the option size. So let's work through the variant options we have. So the first one, we could have 25x 25 cm. So that's length x, width cm. Now the unit cm must match the dimensions that you've selected in your admin screen. So if you're using meters, centimeters, you should use cm for the variant units. And if you're using feet and inches, you should use inches for your units. You can't use inches and here and use feet, centimeters as your dimension calculator units. Another option we could have is we could have free text, so say one tile brackets 10x 10 cm, so it's free text, and in the brackets we've got length times width. Or here we could do a colour, so say blue 15x 15 centimetre. Or another option is we could have a box, say, of tiles. So box brackets the number of tiles, so n times 15 length times width, so 15 15. Finally, we need to add some prices. So let's add £1 based in the UK, so it's in pounds, and we'll have a quantity to make sure there's some available. So we've got 1,000 available in that size, and for the one tile 10x10, we've got £2 for that, and again a quantity of 1,000. And then for the blue tile, we'll say it's £3 and we've got a quantity of 1,000. And finally for the box, we'll say it's £50 and we'd have a quantity of 1,000. So the next thing to do is if we save that, so we'll let that come back. And once it's come back, let's go and create view on our online store. So if we go to our online store, we can see we've got the sizes for our variants. So we've got the 25x 25 cm option. We've got the one tile at 10x 10 cm option, and a blue tile at 15x 15, and finally a box at 20 of 20. And the other requirement, remember, for dimension calculator is you must have the quantity field showing. So if we click our calculate area button and let's enter a length, let's say 10 meters by 10 meters, we'll see the quantities automatically updated based on our area. So we've got a 10% overage or wastage here, so the area is actually 110 meters squared, so that would give us 1,761 tiles that you would need for this job. Or we could use the variants, so let's select a different variant. Let's do one tile at 10 centimeters and we'd need 11,000 of those. And let's do another variant, so let's do the blue tile and we'd need 4,889 of them. And finally, we can see if we wanted the box, we would need 245 of them. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Dimension Calculator app for Shopify and how to provision products to use the Dimension Calculator app.